Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to create a business fashion image pose refinement using Puppet Warp in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a fashion business image. I pause because pose controls perception. I duplicate the layer and convert it into a smart object. I activate Puppet Warp. I place pins on shoulders, elbows, and hips. I gently adjust the arm angle to feel confident. I stop often to avoid distortion. I zoom in to check fabric edges. I add extra pins to lock clothing areas. I apply the warp and zoom out.